Ask your friends, ask your neighbors. Should we go back to a health insurance system that lets insurance companies decide who and when they want to cover? So if you've got a pre-existing condition, you're out of luck. Or should we keep moving forward with the new health care law that's already cutting costs and covering more people and saving lives? Thank you. See, it gives me a cold just thinking about what they might do. Governor Romney, he's promised that somewhere between his first day and, I don't know, the next day, he's going to sit down and grab a pen and he's going to eliminate Obamacare. This is what's called the Romney Doesn't Care plan.